Active listening in English. Engage with verbal and non-verbal cues. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a key aspect of maintaining a natural and engaging conversation: active listening. More specifically, we're going to focus on how to use verbal and non-verbal cues to show your engagement. Let's get started. Active listening is a communication technique that requires the listener to fully focus, understand, respond, and then remember what is being said. In a nutshell, it's all about being present and engaged in the conversation. Active listening is crucial because it helps you understand others better, builds trust, and fosters better communication. Verbal cues are your spoken responses that show you're paying attention. They include affirmative responses, phrases like "I see," "aha," "right," and "yes," to show that you're following along. Paraphrasing. This is when you restate what the speaker has said in your own words. It shows that you are not just listening, but also understanding. Asking relevant questions. Asking questions about what's been said indicates that you're actively engaged and interested in the conversation. Non-verbal cues are just as important, if not more so. They're the unspoken elements of communication and can often say more than words. These include eye contact. This indicates you're focused on the speaker and the conversation. Nodding. It shows that you're agreeing or understanding what's being said. Facial expressions. A smile, frown, or look of surprise can communicate a lot about how you're reacting to the conversation. Body language. Open body language, like leaning in slightly, uncrossing your arms, shows that you are open and receptive to what's being said. Combining both verbal and non-verbal cues is essential for active listening. Keep in mind that your cues should be genuine and match what you feel and understand. The key is to stay engaged, show empathy, and communicate effectively. Let's illustrate this with a role play. Speaker 1. I had a hard day at work today. Listener nods and says, "It sounds like you're having a tough time. Would you like to talk about it?" In this example, the listener uses a mix of verbal, affirmation and a question, and non-verbal, nodding, cues to show engagement. That wraps up our session on active listening and how to use verbal and non-verbal cues to show engagement. Remember, it's not just about hearing the words. It's about understanding, responding, and showing that you're present in the conversation. Keep practicing, and you'll soon see the improvement in your conversations. See you in the next video. Happy learning!